Hello, my fellow crafters. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon with a treat. And this is not just any treat, my friends. This is quite the treat. All right. So, many of you on this channel have heard me talk about Janice Freeman. Well, we have finally a Janice Freeman project, guys. This is a project by Janice Freeman. You can find the tutorial on how to make this gorgeous baby on the Paper Phenomenon website. So I'm super, super excited to be able to offer this to you all and super grateful that Janice has given us the opportunity to pick up one of her projects. Shall I open it? Shall I open it? First, let's talk about this box, guys. Let's talk about this box. The box is divine, right? It measures roughly 11 and a half by 7-ish, okay? The paper, I'm sure you guys are going to ask about this glorious paper. It is a Prima paper collection and it is titled Midnight Garden. She used one 12 by 12 paper pack for this gorgeous project. Uh, Look at the raised panels here on this project. These diamond uh, brads that you see right here, the motif on these brads, I just love. So all of the raised panels, super unique design, my friends. This is truly, truly a home decor piece, not just a dust collector. All right, it is beautiful. We've got a fabulous, timeless Tim Holtz knob here. And again, the timeless Tim Holtz feet that you see here anchoring this box beautifully. So just gorgeous. So this project is called All Tucked Away, and it is the concept or the idea behind this box is to house your photos or your photos in progress, right? So there are 12 photo pouch envelopes, envelope pouches. There's 12 of them, and they each hold 50 photographs. So if you are in the process of cataloging or organizing your photos for mini albums, let's say, or particular projects, you can do so with these photo pouches that you see right here. 50 guys times 12, 600 photos. I do have one of our fellow crafters, Mary Matthias. This may only hold photos for one album because she takes a bazillion photos, but for most of us, this will hold photos for several projects. I would hope, I think about myself. I always put myself in the situation and I think about the way I take photos. This would hold photos for several projects for me. All right. So it can be an organizational piece, it can be a storage piece, it can be a decor piece. If this is how you want to display your photos, that is also okay. You can place them in here in one of those fan decks, if you will, okay? And they're kind of tied, they're kind of anchored on one corner, and you can fan through your photos, or you can place them in there individually with some tabs if you want to catalog them that way. Just all sorts of different ideas for you in these boxes. So I love that it has a self closure. Okay, self closures are important to me, and I would think to you guys, you can absolutely do a closure of your own. There are a multitude of closures out there, but the self closure is so convenient. You don't have to think about any hardware. Okay, so I'm really, really loving this. This is just an added little bonus that she sent in the project because she makes all sorts of cute little packages and they're just adorable. So I just tucked it away in there and I'm not opening it because it's super cute. She finished it off with a label. In the tutorial, you will also get a printable with these label suggestions. She covered a multitude of areas, guys. So all you have to do is print this out, cut them out, and stick them in your little label holder. Okay, so this tutorial is a paper phenomenon style of tutorial. So if you're familiar with my tutorials, the tutorial is structured exactly the same way. All right, but it will say Janice Freeman All Tucked Away project because this is her design, her project. She's sharing it with us here on the Paper Phenomenon channel, and I'm so thrilled. You can pick it up in my shop. I will link you down below So really fabulous. Look at the inside of the box, how beautifully finished it is. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. So I hope you love it, guys. I hope you support Janice. She brings us so much inspiration. And the fact that she is creating projects for us to create along, right? Create alongside her, I think is fantastic. So I hope you love it. Show Janice some love here in the chat. Let her know what you think about her glorious, glorious project. And I'll see you in the next video. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. Check out those purchase options in the description box below, and I'll see you next time.